Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to a new Unreal Engine video. So in this video, we are going to make some decals in Unreal Engine 4. So I'm going to show you how you can make these decals. And decals are a really cool way to make things. Like if you texture this manually, it will take a lot of time. So decals are very easy to use. Okay, so I'm going to bring in my wall static mesh here. Actually, this is a blueprint. So we are going to project our decals onto this wall piece. We are going to get some decal textures from Quixel Bridge, Quixel Megascans. So it's completely free for Unreal Engine users. So go to Quixel Megascans and download Quixel Bridge. And as you can see, they have a lot of textures here. You can use your own textures. So I'm going to select this, and I have already set up all the export settings for Unreal Engine. I'm going to download this in the 4K resolution. Okay, after you have downloaded this, you can export this to Unreal Engine. And this is exporting. So it's exported successfully. We are going to download this as well. After downloading it, we are going to export this. So now in Unreal Engine, you will see some new folders. So you will see a Megascans folder, and in that we have our graffiti materials. So I'm going to use the starting material as our starting point for making decals. If I open this material, we have 4 texture slots. So we have the roughness, opacity, normal and albedo. So the opacity map is just a black and white texture. So the black areas will be completely transparent and the white areas will have our color. Similarly, if I open this material also has a similar setup. Okay, so to make the decals, we are going to go in the Place Actors tab and we need a decal actor. So just add the decal actor in your scene. And the moment you add this, you will notice that it is projecting on the flow. You will see a blue arrow right here. So this is basically the direction in which our decal will be projected. So to project this decal on the wall, you can rotate this 90 degrees on the x-axis. After that, we are going to decrease the size of the bounding box. Just move this like that until it intersects with the wall. And as you can see, it's already projecting the default texture on our wall. So now we have to just replace this default material with our own material. So that's pretty easy. Select the decal, go in the decal material and just switch to our decal material. So as you can see, we have our decal. It's looking quite good, but it's currently inverted. So now you can pretty much rotate this, scale this, and you can transform this in any way you like. Now there is a very important thing that I need to cover in this video, and I noticed that many people don't do this, like they completely skip this step. So you'll notice at the moment the decal material has sort of a normal map going on. So it has the default brick texture going on, as you can see. So how do we fix that? That's pretty easy. We just need to swap the roughness map and the normal map. So let me show you. If I open this decal material, we have the roughness slot and we have the normal slot. If we enable these slots, you can see it's using the default normal map. So it is a checkered brick texture. So we need to just replace these maps with our wall map. So just select the wall, and after selecting the wall, you can go in the materials. So this is just a wall material, pretty simple material. It's a basic PBR shader. So as you can see, this is the roughness map. It's a black and white map. And this is the normal map, and this contains the normal information. So to find these assets in your content browser, just click that magnifying glass button, and after that Unreal Engine will find this asset. So we have our roughness map selected. Go back in the material and press that arrow button, and that arrow button will swap that roughness map. So this is a pretty cool feature of Unreal Engine. So select the normal map and just do that for the normal map as well. So now if we take a look at our decal material, it's fixed. So we have the same roughness and the normal information that our wall has. You can just duplicate this and you can change the material to our second decal. And the second decal also has that brick texture. So finally, I'm going to show you how you can project your texture on this wall. So I'm going to make the background completely black, and you can do whatever you like here. So I'm going to write Pink Pocket TV here. And this is going to be our mask map. So all the black areas will be transparent. Save it as a PNG. After you have saved this, we need to make our color map. So just give it any color you like and import it in Unreal Engine. As you can see, we have our mask map and we have our color map. We can select a decal material. This is using the parent decal master material. So if I double click on this, so this is what Quixel gives us out of the box. So I'm going to find this decal material in my asset browser. This is the master material. It will be located in these folders. And after you have your decal material selected, you can right click and create a material instance. So this is going to create a material instance. If I open up the material instance, you can enable all of these texture slots. So I'm going to add the opacity map. I'm going to add the color map. And as you can see, we have made our custom decal material. You can also swap the roughness and the normal map. So the roughness map of the wall, and I'm going to swap the normal map of the wall as well. Ctrl W to duplicate things. Just change the material. So as you can see, this was quite easy, and decals are really quite powerful. You can create all sorts of decals, and decals are used quite often while you are making games. So I hope you like the video. If you did, please leave a like down below. It really helps a lot. Thank you to all the people who supported on Patreon as well. And I'm going to see you in the next video.